Watching sports is a complete waste of time, and this video might get me a lot of hate because it targets people's reality. Sports is a complete waste of time if you watch it. If you play it, fair enough, but still, if you are playing it, do not watch it. Just imagine there are teams playing, or the person playing, they both are playing and winning or even losing, but for what? Because they get paid, they get money, they get status. Now ask yourself, what did you get apart from like fake happiness or my team won? So you are a loser in real life. Once that match is over, what did you accomplish? And I don't want to seem arrogant, like I am also part of that. I used to watch cricket and MMA, and I used to say, oh, but I'm learning skills. No, I didn't. I didn't learn shit. I just wasted my time. I didn't learn shit. You learn shit from doing things, from practicing, not watching. You watch sports, it it fucks up your mental state, like happiness. Either you are happy or you are extremely sad or you are even angry that your team lost. I just recently realized this, like 2-3 months ago, that watching sports is a complete waste of time. Unless you are going to the stadium with your family or friends for experience, then it's fine. Okay, you are going once in a while only for the experience or some fun shit. But watching it daily autistically from your home screen TV, that's unacceptable. That will make you a loser, and you are already a loser if you watch it. And I was a loser too, but you need to come back to reality. Now you might say, oh, but it gives me happiness, bro. What will I do instead? I really have 1 hour at the end of the day, so I watch sports. No, do something better. Maybe sleep 1 hour early, go for a walk, read a book, or stay with your family, talk to your family. They need your presence more than that sport that you are watching. Do not cope. It really just destroys your mental state. I know a friend who, whenever his team loses, he just gets pissed off at everybody, and he's so attached to that sport. Whenever his team loses, he's just angry and moody. Imagine what kind of guy that is. And I'm not hating on him, but he's a loser in real life. His team wins, he thinks, oh, he also won. No, you didn't. You were sitting at home, drinking, eating chips. You didn't win, they won. They got paid. What are you being happy about? The TV and media have brainwashed you into thinking, oh, it's happiness and shit. You are gambling. Most people gamble when they watch sports. It's not about happiness. You are just wasting your time. I need you to stop watching sports, and trust me, I've stopped watching sports and I've progressed immensely because of the time and mental energy you save. Even if you save your time and you just see the score or who won, you are thinking about it later, and that thoughts could have been in your business, or you could have sat with your family and did something fun. But no, you were thinking about, oh, this team won,